Today we're working on a 2011 Toyota Camry. We're doing an engine bay wash. So yours can go from this to this. After opening up the bay, just let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes so it can cool down. With the engine degreaser of your choice, apply it all over the engine thoroughly. After you're done with that, you can use another coat of degreaser if available. Now it's time to rinse. Now you can rinse all of the dirt and debris that is on the engine bay and watch the magic happen. After washing the bay, there is no check engine light. If this was the case on a German engineer cars, you would have a problem. Only try this on a Toyota or Japanese cars. Now you know how to clean up your engine bay. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.